Good
you a
evening.
very happy new year.
Happy New Year.
So, like, it's a new year. How many of you made a new year resolution this year?
I stopped believing in that. Yeah, it's a myth.
And now, okay, it's like 1 week ago, just we had a new year, and all of the hands are like, we don't make a new year resolution. So, I probably think I'm not alone, so I'll just make a new year resolution, and later I'll be like, oh, I don't want to do it right now. So actually, what happened was when I was preparing this time, no New Year resolutions. So I was like, oh, why I just drop it off in between, or maybe next few days, or in month of Feb. So what happened is in January we are full of like enthusiastic, energetic. Oh, we'll do this, we'll do that, and when February comes in, it's like a reality check with meetings, deadline, and pressure. So I was just recalling myself where I went wrong, how I can do better, or I can just rebuild or uh, regain myself in the track to make that resolution work. So what I found is last year when I got my offer letter from Infosys, it was like a dream come true for me. Okay, I was Infosys was the first company I ever wrote in my notebook on the very first day of my college. So it was like, oh, I am living my dream. I was on cloud nine, and in my head I was like, okay, training will be so easy. I'll do this, I'll do that. And when life gave reality check, we went to Mysore. Training was much more intense than we thought. Some days were so unrealistic, like we were just having 8 to 11 till GC, and some days was struggling. Somehow we managed, we cleared training and posted in Bangalore DC. So that time I was like, the time period between my training got completed and I was waiting for my release mail. I was like, oh, I'll join Bangalore DC, I'll having client interviews, and I'll be like, okay, in project, teams call, we'll do many more things and we'll learn new things. Suddenly unexpected happened and I am still on bench. So I was like, okay, where I went wrong, what I didn't did. So I recall. Then I was recalling, okay, I did this, I did that, and suddenly procrastination joins the team. That's the topic for the day. Just progress without pressure. So I was just starting, okay, I have to do this, I have to do that. Then I realized I was just being so hard on myself. Because of the pressure, I was like, okay, I have to do this perfectly. And for the pressure made me overthink, and I tend to procrastinate. Okay, we'll do this later. When no, I'll get a perfect time. I'll do this perfectly. Then I was like, okay, so I have to start. Like a very baby small step, I thought I'll start. Okay, maybe something which will not so feasible right now, but in future it will. So I was thinking like that. I was starting doing some courses from Lex. Instead of regretting what I don't have, I was fully focused on, okay, I have this right now, I can do this, to just get one step closer to my goals. So now can you please think of a task where you will be feeling like, okay, we just postponed this because it went heavy, or we don't know from where we can start, or shall I tell you the truth? Maybe it was because of pressure we were into. Okay, pressure of deadlines or meetings or calls, or just how to be so perfect in that. Like if we are coding to pressure, it can be a production ready code. So yeah, then I was like, okay, I was doing this, and in reality, I was thinking, okay, when dreams come true, no, it comes with expectation, responsibilities, and pressure, of course. And where pressure increases, procrastination quietly walks in, and procrastination be like, oh, how can you forget me? So I started thinking, okay, I'll not do this like that. And there is a thing what really helped me. That was I was just taking a small step every day, and with that small step, I was feeling so productive. Like something I did today, which is one step closer to my goal. And then I was like, okay, I was waiting for my perfection. What I can do is I'll just push my imperfections into reality to do something, and it was like it went so clearly with clarity or confidence. I was able to do that. So yeah, instead of saying a new year, new me, we can say that same me, clearer vision, better progress, less pressure. At the end, what important is to rebuild or regain to that track. I started a resolution. I went, okay, I can't do this because of pressure. Then later, sometimes I was like, okay, I can do this because I am confident right now. So yeah, at the end, it's like procrastination is valid, somehow valid, but yeah, we can rebuild that, no? And also, growing at our own pace is also progress at some time. Like we are not growing at that time, but at our own pace, we are somehow growing. We are just making one step closer and we are growing. So yeah, that was the topic. Thank you.